Hello, welcome to today's short lecture. We just have information mainly pertaining to Sunday's map work and also to the chair program to share with you today. So for the map work for Sunday, first off, the map itself. The email that contained the link for this message also contained a link for a map. We'll put it on our website, and you can also call us and we'll just email you the link for the map if you want. That way we all have a map to be able to treat with our biooscillator. You can print it up if you want, but you don't even have to print it up. You can just have it on a tablet and then biooscillate the tablet. That's fine as well. What our goal is with the map work is to have all of us worldwide doing the map work at the exact same time on Sunday. Every Sunday. This is to remove negativity from the world, and especially as we have seen so much negativity come forth that caused the coronavirus, we're focusing on trying to get rid of that negativity. So we want things to be better for the world. We want things to get easier, so we're all going to do the map work, and we're all going to do it together at the same time so that it is the most effective that it can possibly be. And that means that we have to coordinate timing for everyone. Those of you on the West Coast, the Pacific time zone in the United States, it's going to be 7 a.m. on Sunday. And this is every Sunday that we're going to be doing this. So 7 a.m. for those of you in Los Angeles and the West Coast of the United States. 10 a.m. for those of you in New York and in the Eastern time zone in the United States. 3 p.m. for those of you in London. 10 p.m. in Taiwan and Beijing. For those of you in Tokyo, it'll be 11 p.m. We're going to take 10 minutes for the map work. The first 5 minutes will simply be in preparation. The first 2 minutes are using your Song of the Spheres to enliven the daily seed. Now, if you don't know the daily seed at that particular moment, just enliven seed 8. That's the World Mother seed. But if you can find out the daily seed, go onto the website, find the daily seed, go ahead and do that, and then enliven the daily seed for 2 minutes. After those 2 minutes, we're all going to enliven the World Mother seed, seed 8. Then, after that, we're going to take 1 minute for everyone to prepare to do the map work. So that gives you 1 minute to walk over to wherever your map is, 1 minute to grab your biooscillator, 1 minute to remember that we need you to have a tool of initial rotations placed on the map for when you do the map work. So a tool of initial rotations, that's the pendant of eternal light, either the silver or the gold, or the song or the medallion. All 4 of those are tools of initial rotations. Place one of them on the map. And then, if you happen to have a bell, go ahead and ring the bell for a few seconds over the map before we get started. And then, right at the starting time, which is 5 minutes past the hour, we're all going to give the command for the biooscillator together. Now remember, the command for people and animals is perfection is the natural state, light is triumphant, but that is not the command for the earth. When you are treating the earth, it is a different command. Release the toxins. Let all return to their natural state. Light is triumphant. So we all give that command. Release the toxins. Let all return to their natural state. Light is triumphant. We'll do that at the same time, which is 5 minutes past the hour. And then we go ahead and use the biooscillator for 5 minutes. That's going to be the Sunday map work. The goal is for us to all do this, all of us, all around the world, at the exact same moment every Sunday so that we can have the greatest impact possible in eliminating the negativity all around the world that has caused the coronavirus, as well as any other negativity that's going to cause something else we want to avoid. So that's the goal of this. And I'm looking forward to this on Sunday. Now, I mentioned to you last time that we have a chair program that is a unique chair program. Of course, no one can travel right now, or at least it's difficult to travel. Those of you in other countries can't make it into this country. And it's also difficult for us to have more than 10 people in a conference room at a hotel. So the chair program as we normally do it is not possible right now. But we want people to get the benefit of the chair program, which is why Cindy asked if we could use people's photographs, and he said yes, we could. So we're doing a virtual chair program. We're doing a chair program where you email us a picture of yourself. Then the day before the chair day, I will give your photograph a treatment. And then on the chair day, I will place your photograph in the chair of Genesis for 30 minutes. And so that is going to be the photograph chair program, the virtual chair program that we are doing. We're going to be scheduling it for June 14th. That means that on June 13th, I will be giving your photograph a treatment. Then on June 14th, I'll be placing your photograph in the chair of Genesis for half an hour. We will let you know when that half hour is going to be for your photograph so that you can plan accordingly any activity that you want to do, whether it's simply resting, whether it's doing the golden matrix technique, whether it's spinning your song, whatever you want to be doing during that period of time. We'll let you know the 30 minutes that your photograph is going to be in the chair. Remember that the cost of the chair program is $300, but that $300 means that $200 goes as a credit towards a future in-person chair program, a future chair program where you fly out and you actually go through the chair program in person. So the cost of this program is $300 at this point. As I mentioned last time, because there's only so many 30-minute time slots that we can accommodate during the daylight hours on the chair day, that means that we have a limited number of time slots for people to participate. If you're interested in the chair program at this point for your photograph, go ahead and call us so that we can reserve one of those time slots for you. And then as we approach June 14th, we will let you know the time slot for your photograph so that you know when your photograph is going to be in the chair of Genesis. Okay, everyone. I'm looking forward to Sunday. It's going to be exciting, and I will speak with each of you after we have done the world map treatment together on Sunday with new information from Tote and maybe also from Lantos. Okay, everyone. Have a great rest of your week. I'll speak with you again on Sunday.